Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Rainbow Melts haul, and it's totally appropriate for today because today is probably the coolest day we've had in a long time. It's starting to feel like fall. So like my friend Leanne says, if you are feeling fall or Halloween, or if you're excited for the upcoming season, drop one of those cute Halloween or fall emojis below. I don't know why, but I love like the Halloween emojis like the best. I think they're the cutest. Like I think they recently, well no, it's been around for a while, but they updated like a little zombie person and like, I don't know, just cuteness. So let's get into Rainbow Melts. There's something I was gonna say. Oh, so this is her Halloween pre-order, I believe, and I think I got it, shoot, I got this probably sometime in August. Like I said, I'm still behind on hauls, so just bear with me here. But I like the sizes that she did. Like they're not a full bag, but I think these were $5 each, so they weren't super big, but enough to have some for some fall. And I said I wasn't going to buy much fall this year because I feel like I'm already like good on fall stuff. So let's go ahead and I will show you. So it came with this orange paper on top. And then also always her card that just says, you know, all the stuff, all the good stuff. And then she put in 2 samples, and this is a sweet little pumpkin shape in Pink Breeze, which is Pink Chiffon and Downy Clean Breeze. Oh, that's actually pretty good. I'm not always the biggest fan of Pink Chiffon. I need to go, I say this every time, I need to go like down the laundry aisle and just start sniffing things because I don't know what Downy Clean Breeze smells like. I've probably had it a million times, but that one's a really pretty, it's like a fruity clean blend actually. Not fruity like as in the normal fruit you would think of, but it's kind of got like a girly fruity scent to it. The next one I have is Pumpkin Beignet, and this is sweet pumpkin and sugar dusted beignet. Oh, that one's pretty. So that's sweet pumpkin. Oh, I already said what the thing is, but what I was gonna say is the pumpkin scent is not super pumpkin. It's more like a bakery pumpkin. Oh, that's nice. Crystal, I don't know if you're watching these. I think she usually watches her Rainbow Melts haul. Like if someone does a Rainbow Melts haul, I think she'll watch. So if you're watching, this one's really good. Just throwing that out there. Okay, the next one I have, she did it in all these fun shapes, so I'm super, you always get a really clean, fresh package. Well, fresh, what do I mean? You always get a really clean, like, presentation from Crystal. Now, these have kind of been sitting around, so they look a little smudgy, but that's my fault just because they were just sitting in my wax room, and I just kept like sniffing them and whatnot, so they just kind of sat. They came like perfectly pretty though, but all of her stuff always looks so pretty and well presented, so sorry it's not perfect here. But Don't Fall Asleep, Strong Coffee, and Pumpkin Cupcake. And you can see the tombstones in there, and there's an owl and just all kinds of cuteness. Oh, this one's good. You know what? Pumpkin goes really good with coffee. Yeah, okay. I have a big loaf of pumpkin something or another, and I need to start using it. I'm going to start mixing it with things. That one smells really good. It's got just the perfect amount of pumpkin and coffee. There's someone else who did a coffee pumpkin scent, and I feel like Crystal did it better. So, yay for that. Next one I have is Spooky Scoops, and this is pumpkin ice cream, waffle cone, and caramel drizzle. And there's a brain and an ice cream scoop and a skull. One thing about Crystal is she has some of the best, like I really like her bakery blends. She really has a knack for bakery. Now she does do fresh things as well, but sometimes I feel like her fresh is probably like one of those 1 oil deals or maybe 2 oils that she kind of mixes together. But bakery, I don't know, I feel like she just knows how to combine it. So this one is pretty good. I mean, it smells like your typical pumpkin caramel type of scent. I like the coffee pumpkin one best so far. This one's good, but would I repurchase that one? I don't know yet. maybe when I warm it, it'll be better. This is super cute. I love the colors in this one. Boo-Licious. This is salted caramel pecan pie, or pecan pie, however you like to say it. Waffle cone, and we've got all these fun shapes. I love the brain. Super cute. That one smells nice. Okay. So you get the nuttiness from the pecan pie and the caramel. And you get a slight hint of waffle cone too. That one's really nice. Nice and blended well. So, Boo-Licious. The next one I grabbed is Espresso Yourself, and this is espresso, pumpkin pecan waffles, and brown sugar. I usually try to be careful with pumpkin pecan waffles because it's not always my favorite. I had it from Bath & Body Works a long time ago, and I think I just got sick of it. It was a really strong candle, actually, now that I think about it. Let's see, espresso, pumpkin pecan waffles, brown sugar. So this one is like just like a bakery coffee. Yeah, I smell the pumpkin pecan waffles in there. That's what's coming out to me. Now that I think about it, I'm kind of remembering that pumpkin pecan waffle scent. The next one I have is Dark Shadows, and I was super excited about this one. Raindrops, Ocean Mist plus Sage and Citrus. And she did a whole bunch of fun colors in this one as well, and shapes. This one's pretty. I like this one. Now this is the rain to me smells different than like rain that I've had from like Super Tarts or from other vendors. It's almost got, I'm wondering if that sage and citrus is kind of giving it more of a, I know I say cologne-y and manly a lot, like interchangeably, but it kind of leans more towards like, I don't know how else to describe it. Like you could say earthy, masculine. I just always think of like masculine. This one's pretty. I was warming something the other day and my husband's like, can you get more of that? And I was like, no, that's the only bag of it that I have. And so I think that one will fit the bill for him. I think he'll really like that one, which is always good. Oh, this is a fun shape. I see lots of time lapses happening here, thanks to Leanne. I should just have her co-host. Like, not that I'm like, I don't know what I'm saying, co-host, but I should just have her in every one of my videos because I seem to mention her a lot. Autumn Pear, which is ripe, juicy pear, gooey caramel, and maple syrup. Pear is so good with caramel and like syrup scents. This one is really good. That pear is like, that pear is fresh. That's really, really good. I'm getting more of the pear than I am like the caramel and maple syrup. But I think maybe she kind of intentionally did that because I think sometimes when you blend these kinds up, sometimes it can turn out to be more of the caramel and not so much pear. So that's kind of cool that she did that, or maybe it's a single oil, who knows. This next one, oh, I was super excited about this one too. This is Dark Tide. I just like the name too, I guess. This is Tide Laundry, Pink Sea Salt, and Ocean Breeze. I was like, yes. Oh, this is so cute. There's like a maple leaf in there too. I see lots of, oh, I already said this. I was thinking again. I was like, time lapses. This one's really good. Pink Sea Salt and Ocean Breeze. It's been so long since I've had Tide. This isn't overly laundry. You would think with the Tide in there, but it's really not. You know, one of these days someone's going to be watching me down Walmart and I'm just going to be going down the laundry aisle and they're going to be like, dang, she is like really having a hard time picking up a laundry scent for herself. Because I'm just going to be smelling them all. Monster Munch is caramel corn, toasted marshmallow, and salty pretzel. Oh, this one I really like. This one's really, really good. This, like, I think I really like pretzel scents. It's just a sweetened pretzel smell. I love toasted marshmallow, so that's probably helping. This one's really good. I feel like I've had, you know what? Maybe I've had Monster Munch. I feel like this is I was gonna say what am I trying to think of? What's the word I'm trying to think of? She had it last year, maybe the year before. I don't know. Anyways. That one is good. That one's like a perfect bakery. So overall, I'm very happy with my order. Really glad that I have some rainbow melts back in my life now. I was going through the other day and doing stuff with my bars that I got for my last pre-order, and I am loving the smells that I had on that. So yeah, thank you, Crystal. If you happen to be watching, everything looks beautiful, and the turnaround time was perfect. So I think it made it here like right on her like listed turnaround time. So yeah, super happy with this, and thank you so much. I appreciate this. Well, what? I'm like, I'm just saying thank you. Like, not that she sent it to me for free, but just like, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Like, I appreciate the time and care she takes into making it look like a really pretty package. So anyways, okay, I am like loopy today. It's been a weird morning, but just excuse all that, and you'll probably see another haul from me in a couple days, and I will see you guys in a few. Okay, bye guys.